Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to change the size of an item in the Zara app on your phone. Whether you need a different size or simply change your mind, we'll walk you through the steps to update your selection. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the Zara app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you are in the app, log into your account. After you are logged in, you will see this interface on the app. You need to go to your shopping cart. Here you can see the shopping cart option at the bottom. Tap on it. In the shopping cart, you will see the list of items that you have added to the buy list. Now find the item for which you want to change the size. Tap on the item to open the details. Here I have only one item in my shopping cart. It's a sweater with US large size. So if I have to change the size of this item, I'll just have to tap on this item. And here you can see the add button at the bottom. Tap on it. In this details page, you'll see the size option. Now select your new size from the list. There is an option of view measurements. This will give you the information on which size will be applicable to you. So for now, I'll select the XL size. Tap on the shopping cart icon at the top right again. And here you will see a new item has been added, which is of a different size. So the thing here is, Zara doesn't allow you to change the size of your existing selection. It will add a new one. So you can just remove the previous selection. So I'll just remove this large size, which was my first option. On the first item, you can see the close button at the top. Tap on it, and there you go, it has been removed. I have added a new item with a different size. So this is how you can change the size of your item. That's it, you've successfully changed the size of an item in the Zara app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.